How do you construct a scatter plot? Well, basically, you're going to take a set of data, and sometimes it's in a table, sometimes it's in ordered pairs, that sort of thing. But you need to find out what's going to represent your x and what's going to represent your y. And then you need to go and set up your graph to put this scatter plot onto. And you know, you're going to have to figure out a good numbering system. Um, One of the things that you can do though is that as you look at your X data, you'd say, well, 62 is my smallest number and I think 77 is my biggest. So basically we're going to stretch it from about 60 to 80 on here. And if you want to go up by a set of numbers, like in this case I went up by 2, 60, 62, 64, 66, you know, and so on and so forth. But you don't want to go from 0 to 60 and 2s. Just put two little marks right here to show that we're breaking our pattern of numbering. That way they know, okay, we're picking up right here at 60. Same thing happens if you need to do that with the Y. Just put a break in your axis so that way you know that you're starting a new pattern. On the Y's, you see I went up by 3's, and that's because I've got a 6 for my lowest number and 40 is my highest. So pretty much it's going to extend the full range there. So do that, and that'll get you all set up, and then you just go and graph your ordered pairs. So here's 6221. So 62 is my x value, and 21 is my y value. This one we'll use for 7010, so I go to 70 and go up to 10. This is at 9, so 10 is just a little bit more, and we just go and we work our way through. I keep dragging the dot right over the ordered pair that I'm using so that way you can see where it's coming from. So 6530. We don't have to be extremely accurate, but the more accurate you are, the better. If the dots wind up touching each other, that's fine too. It happens. If you've already got a dot there, you don't need to put it right on top of it. It's kind of already plotted for you, so don't worry about that. Last one. And that's how you construct a scatter plot. Now you can see what type of relationship you have there.